In this video, I'll detail how to install Maps on Apple Watch. If you want to install the Google Maps or the Apple Maps on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through. Installing the Maps apps on your Apple Watch will allow you to use the Maps application on your Apple Watch by just going to the app menu and click on the Maps icon on your Apple Watch just like this. So if I download this video, you found this relevant informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to install Maps app on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is grab your iPhone. Then once you can grab that, locate the Watch app and open it. Then you want to scroll down until you get to available application. Here if you see all the application you can install on your Apple Watch. So this comprises a list of maybe third-party application you installed on your iPhone that you can easily install the version on your Apple Watch. Then here you see I have Google Maps. Click on that to install it. Then in most cases, when you want to install this application on your Apple Watch, you'll be prompted to confirm your Apple ID before you can install the application on your Apple Watch, just like this. Now, if you press the YouTube crown and you go to the app menu, you see the Google Maps application installed. Once you have successfully installed the application on your Apple Watch, then if you come to your Apple Watch, press the YouTube crown once to go to the app menu, then you have the Maps app on your Apple Watch. So that's how you can easily install Maps app on Apple Watch. If you found this relevant informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.